Hey guys, if you're looking for a free Adobe Illustrator, you're in the right place. I know most of you are here looking for a crack, but the truth is, almost everything out there calling itself a crack is just malware. So I'll show you how to get an official 7-day trial, full version, every single AI feature unlocked, and absolutely no viruses. At the end of this video, I'll show you how to get another 7 days for free, 14 days total, how to pay way less for a subscription, and how to cancel without getting charged. So make sure you watch till the end. Alright, let's get into it. Click the link in the description. It'll take you straight to the official Adobe website. Hit free trial. You'll see a few plans. If you only need Adobe Illustrator, select that one. If you want every Creative Cloud app, go with Creative Cloud. If you're a student or a teacher, there's a separate tab for that. Over 70% off. Just verify with your university email. For teams or businesses, the business plan is right there. I'll go with the individual plan. They'll offer you an Adobe stock trial. Skip it or take it, up to you. Enter your email, then your card details. Nothing gets charged for 7 days, and if you change your mind, you have 14 days to get a full refund. Create a password. Click Complete Account, and you'll land on the installation page. Select the app, and the download starts automatically. Hit Continue and wait for Creative Cloud to download. Go to Apps and you will see Adobe Illustrator installing. Once it's done, open it up. Everything works, including all the AI features. Now let me show you how to cancel your subscription. Go to Manage Account. Since I also grabbed the Adobe stock trial, I'll cancel that one first. Click Cancel Free Trial. Confirm your account with your password, continue, and hit cancel. Now let's cancel Creative Cloud Pro. Click Manage Plan, cancel your free trial, continue, and right here Adobe will offer you either 7 extra days completely free or a 57% discount. Up to you. That's it for today. If this video helped you out, leave a comment, hit the like button, and subscribe. See you next time.